Morning, good morning. We're locked in again. We're locked in again here at Right Line Trading. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. We've got the AI Auto Trader on display here today. I've got NinjaTrader 8 platform up. This is our NinjaTrader 8 platform, and we develop strategies for the NinjaTrader 8 platform, and we've got these different strategies down here running on the live market right here. They're in the live market trying to make a little bit of money. I've got this particular one right here in front of me going to the races. It's Revo NQ16U. George, if you're out there, this one's hot, George. We'll, if you want, let us know. We'll leave her in the Discord for you.
Order submitted.
It's up 5,000 today. All right, welcome back, everybody. Woo! Let's do it. We got these bots running in overdrive over here. Looking at my leaderboard, give it a quick look over. Before I do that, let me drop in the government CFTC disclaimer. It says that all signal trading opportunities that are provided either orally or written or electronically, they're all disclosed for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team, we're not licensed financial advisors, so please reach out to a licensed financial advisor before you take any trades here.
Order submitted.
Get your situation checked out. All right, awesome. Here we go. And we got a nice move here coming up on the NQ. Had a nice push up here coming from the bottom. We stepped into the basement today. We stepped in the basement about 25,470 today so far. Big move down. Big step downward today.
Order submitted.
The bots are all over it.
Order submitted.
You guys see any on your end? This thing's cranking over here. I've got my Revo NQ16U just must have smoked a couple of good ones. Took an oscillator entry short right there. It took a nice one. Another short entry through there. A couple of short entries. Okay, so the Revo NQ16U is HOT today. Here we go. We're running the NQ and the ES. We've got the bots we're running on the Apex accounts here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
So let me kind of show you how I might use this Apex account to try to leverage one of these strategies and see if we can make any money in this account right here. We're at 0. We're starting from 0. So kind of my rule that I do is take a look at the leaderboard, see which ones are hot.
Order submitted.
All right, Suzanne, what's happening? Welcome aboard. I got this Revo NQ16U here showing off today for me. This sucker's about to get jammed up. I'm gonna go put her on a live account here.
Order filled.
NQ.
Order filled.
This one has found the ebb and flow of the market, big time. All right, George, here's those Revos, man. I've been waiting for you to jump in here. Look at this one coming off the chain today.
Filled. Order filled.
Grab a couple of accounts and see if we can get lucky. Oh, Lady Luck, where are you?
Filled.
Suzanne, are you Lady Luck? Come on, Suzanne. I know you are. Let's go.
Order submitted.
All right, I loaded the wagon. Next trade it jumps in. We'll see what it'll do for us.
Order filled.
Looks like it exited at the line change on that one. About a break-even trade. Oh. That happens sometimes when it closes the trade, it takes it with it. How about that move?
Order
Oh,
submitted.
shoot.
Order submitted.
Okay, we got a nice move going north.
Order
Oh, we almost got these accounts to the victory lap already. Halfway there, 26.5, and we'll close them down for the day. Whew. This Revo NQ16U's coming out of the box hot here today. Okay, we got almost $1,000 across the accounts there. Holy shit. Woo. Boom, baby. Shakalaka. There's about
Order
1,
filled.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Order
6, 7.
filled.
Woo! Way to go, George. Good luck, George. Thank you. Woo! Needed that trade. That was a whopper. We caught a $1,600 move right there, quickly out of the gate. Old Revo. Whew. Oscillator entry going long. Then grabbed the wagon and put the sucker down, pedal to the metal. Woof. Bam. Just like that. One and done. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, a 6-pack. We got a 6-pack for a Tuesday morning. How about that? Suzanne, you got that Best Spot out there driving, huh? Mine isn't doing that great. I've had some issues keeping it up to speed. I know my other machine, it's running great. This R&D machine I have something messed up somewhere, I'm sure. And I haven't wanted to distract Sergio on it either because I know it's working on my other ones. This one is sleeping. I've been messing with it too, so I know I broke it. I've been messing with it, trying to change it from like one trade to 4 trades to 3 trades to whatever. See if there's a happy medium of how many trades to use for the best spot. If you have any suggestions, Suzanne, drop them in Discord. Okay, when I closed that strategy, it probably disabled this
Order filled.
this right here. We'll get her back a rolling. This was a hot one.
Submitted.
It just took a signal C, long entry. Or bias C2, sorry, bias C2.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, when you start them is a big difference. Shit.
Order filled.
I never realized that until I've been doing this. You know, like it's a big difference. Even if you take a trade a couple of ticks off, it can be a big difference, which is so strange. Oh shit, what happened? I'm in the trade again.
Order submitted.
Haha. I'll set some record today, I guess. I didn't need that. Shit, this thing's it's like a popcorn machine.
Order
It's so hot, it can't stop. All right, here we go. We're here making money, having fun today. Let's see, trying to show off apparently. Don't need more than 1,500. These accounts are the 25Ks, so all you need is 26.5 in the account, which is 1,500. And the bot kind of jumped in. I forgot to disable it over here. All right, let me try this one more time. There we go. This bot's up $6,000 now. What's your best bot at right now, Suzanne? Okay, 500. I didn't read that earlier. Okay, you hit the profit target. Nice shot.
Order filled.
Do you use those on the full NQ and the ES? My other best bot's at 958
Order submitted.
NQ, and
Order
ES is
Order filled.
my ES is down 120. Yeah, the default I have is two trades, so it takes a look at two trades and just does the math on those and says which one's the best one for the last two
Order
trades.
filled.
I'm trying to do one trade on this to see if it helps, but it doesn't. It's hard to always put your finger on what it is that, that works and doesn't work. It's like rolling dice, I think. What I know is working right now is this darn Revo NQ16U has absolutely slayed the market here in front of me. Retirement plan is coming out of the park, saying it wants to be one of the big dogs today. It's hit the $4,000 mark. First time I seen the retirement plan hit that. All right, a good day of trading here. Perfect. What a great setup, Suzanne. I think that's a really smart setup. Wow, nice. 2K.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order.
It's the weirdest thing too, because all of our computers are just a little different enough to be where the best bot's not even following the same one. I know it's not. Like I have two computers right here, one above the other, and they're never in sync. It's like almost a bizarre show. You'd like things to be more specific, but hey, just roll with it. Just roll with it, man. Get all excited over it. Here we go. We got the moneymaker over on the left. Moneymaker is a hot strategy. This one's an oscillator that just goes up and down as the market flies up and down. It catches the move. Took a short entry earlier. Took a full target. Man, this full target is $2,200. It took a full target earlier, and now she's going back north. I got the Revo NQ16U over here on the right. Took another oscillator entry going long. We're all locked in going long here. Both ES and NQ. Power moves. What a great day to be a trader. I need to go get a couple more accounts. Sheesh. Put this one on one of these PA accounts down here. Get this sucker. See if I can get lucky. One time.
Order submitted.
Man, this thing's a beautiful strategy right now. Holy shit. Look at this thing. Come on, baby. Give me some love. Here we go. I just wired it into a couple of Apex accounts here. See if we can get lucky one more time. Lady Luck seemed to enter the room. We got Suzanne on the board here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Got the construction starting upstairs. They tell me, why don't you just go work like normal people? Normal people leave during the day. What are you doing there? All right, we're in the trade now. We got the I always called the NQ16U. Yeah, we got the NQ16U, but we're running Revo style, George. Revo's running hot right now, George. What do you got on the Revo? You got any of those strategies running? Oh yeah, those volume candles are hot. Georgia made an executive decision to try to change them blue. We want to go blue, blue and yellow. I did grow up in Michigan, was a Michigan fan, so Maize and Blue is pretty near and dear to me, but that's not reason why. Um, the uh, the blue is more of a go color, like bullish blue. But yeah, no, those candles are really impressive. We're putting a lot of effort into them right now. David helped us big time on that one. He's got a lot of intelligence there that he's helping us with. Hmm. All right, we got some nice moves in the market now. We'll try to draw this beautiful smiley face today on a Tuesday. See if we can put together a beautiful smiley face here on the ES. It started nicely. Almost looks like a pumpkin. Looks like a pumpkin teeth down here.
Order submitted.
Building a little steam. Old retirement plan jumped in here behind the scenes. It's not going to let this record get away too far before it catches up, it looks like. Few days I've had a couple of strategies just go back and forth trying to make big money. Couple of days had the power play and the leapfrog and ES scalper battling around $6,000 each. Oof. Man.
Order filled.
Man, my other machine, that thing, that's the streamlined version of the bots here. And I've only have the AI on the other machine. And man, every strategy was green earlier of the 10. That was nice to see.
Order submitted.
We had a market drop out on us though. We're clawing back here, trying to claw back. Retirement plan caught a beautiful signal A trade. Must be coming off this pivot. That's our signal A entry. This is my favorite entry. Signal A right there. Now the bar that I'm looking at, I believe, is a 16 Unarenko. I think could be a 20. what we're looking at right in front of me is a 8 Unarenko, so the bar that this one was looking at was quite a bit different. A little bit of manipulation here. Pushed back down through the 6s.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Looks like the retirement plan is sit at the $4,000 mark there. Okay, the Revo 16U got it dialed up. I don't think it shut off at 6,000. It's possible. No. I restarted a few times today. I do have them set though, typically that they'll shut down at if you start your machine and it doesn't if you don't shut down data and restart it, they'll shut down automatically on their like daily, just like Suzanne said, their daily, she resets her daily profit target. Most of them I have set. Typically a loss is like 3,000 in a day, and a profit target for a day is about 5. So if you kind of divide that by 10, that would be sort of if you traded 1 micro. So it'd be about 300 a day, or for your risk, or 500 a day for your profit target. All right, my strategy fell asleep on me. That's a good sign sometimes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Just take another scan through the leaderboard here real quick. Okay. All right, we got the, if you're new joining here, I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. We develop strategies here on the NinjaTrader 8 platform, trying to automate the system and see if we can make some money without messing around with it. And that's what these strategies did so far today. I got some losers down here. These ones took some losses. My scalper's down right now, which is unusual. Took me down out of these accounts earlier. That's part of trading. I can't win 5,000 every day, unfortunately. I wish I could. I really do, but you can't, or you can't. I can't. I know that. But anyway, today got lucky on some accounts here live when we first jumped out of the box, about the first 10 minutes. I saw that this this Revo NQ16U was up about $4,000 when I started the broadcast, and that's unusual to see that one that high. So I knew it was on to something.
Order filled.
I knew it was on to something different. So I got it dialed up here still.
Order filled.
It's going to be running to these funded accounts here.
Submitted.
It took one trade a minute ago, but now it's chilling.
Order submitted. Order filled.
If I look right here, it didn't take no short trades on that move either. Only long trades. There's a short entry, so it does have shorts. It's looking for some technical stuff in the background. Got a lot of different settings in there, so it's hard to say what the trade setup is looking at. I have to go in there in the back door and check it out. Way to go.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, market getting a little bit soft here around 550 range. Feels like compression's building up here. About to come down and nail this rejection point. What that is where price returned from last time. Got those levels drawn here. We call them pivots. That's where price pivoted away from last time.
Order filled.
It's like a basketball player. Just did a pivot move. George, the Revo has a pivot break entry. How do you like that one? Do you know anything about it? I haven't put any effort into it. I've seen it in there, and I haven't even asked Sergio about it because I haven't really
Order filled.
wanted to like trade pivots because they don't happen very often, and I like trade more. But I think it's a good strategy to take a pivot break entry.
Order submitted.
I'm glad we got to catch a little bit of action here. Yeah, that's right, George. Let's get her rolling into the AI, right? What specifically would you like to know, like to have the best Revo bot? Is that what your thoughts are, or is there other features that you're meaning there? We love David. He's one of our teammates. He'll help us out. He'll like that idea. He likes doing work on the Revo. He's the I kind of give him ownership of it because he promotes it mostly for us and uses it. I mean, I do too, obviously today. Look at me look at this thing move. It's up 5,000.
Order filled.
Yeah, I gotta agree right there, George. This is it's been quite a day for it today. It takes this one I've got with a hair trigger. This thing takes a lot of trades. That's why I'm really surprised it's not taking trades. Okay, so my lag just went up here. When this happens, if you guys look at my chart up here, I got a red number. Okay, so it came back down, but when that red number pops in, if it gets over 2, these strategies go to sleep.
Order submitted.
That means the data is getting a little too far behind between the chart and the actual strategy, so we don't want to trip anybody up. When that happens, though, we've got a tool, and I put the free link for it in the description below. So this is it's called Network Time, but it's like an atomic clock. synchronization tool. That's a lot. Anyway, uh, you just download the little guy in the link that I put down in the description, and then it'll somehow get you to this box. And when you get to this box, all you have to do is hit update now. And what it's going to do, it's going to sort of synchronize my internal CPU clock with the data. So it's going to try to catch everything up. And I like to keep banging on it until I get something. I don't know. I don't think there's a real number you need, but I try to get it around 10 milliseconds or less offset. I don't think it probably matters, but who knows? All right, Ace is in the house. Ace, what's happening, Ace? I got a $6,000 strategy today. Our Revo NQ16U blew up. Yeah, they're coming back down. Another liquidity sweep down here. Another move through the 550. Took out that pivot, no problem. Just enough to grab enough liquidity.
Order filled.
See if this smiley face can hold over here on the ES, where we were starting to build a nice smiley face, but now we're starting to give up on it. Our little frown might turn upside down here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I hear you, Ace. Me too. I got lucky so far, man. Right out of the gate, if you didn't catch it, I caught a damn beauty with this hot strategy. I saw that it was up about 4 grand when I came online live, so I decided to throw it on these evals here, and these need 1500 to like get over to the second stage. So caught a nice one, and then I sort of did a victory lap prematurely, and it jumped back in, and luckily it made another. It was heading in our direction again, so I shut her down, but I didn't really need 2000. The strategy was just kind of showing off, I guess. But anyway, so now I got it loaded up here on a couple of other Apex accounts and see if we can get lucky, but it seems like it's sleeping. I'm not sure. I'm gonna just try to see what 11 o'clock hit. Yes. Yes, it goes to bed at 11. I put her to sleep, I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look behind the scenes. So that's the Revo. Let's go look at it. That's what happened. Almost sure of it. Because that thing takes a zillion trades. Ain't no damn way. Let's go take a look. So if you buy our system, Ace, you can go edit the strategy over here. And we leave this thing jailbroke, which is rare. But I wanted to do it so we could have the community help us help each other. You know, Suzanne's got a great strategy she just mentioned earlier in the chat. Other people in our Discord bring up strategies, other places. But so everything's here exposed for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going down to the time because I'm almost sure I have this thing shut down at 11. Shit. See that? She's a sleeper.
Order submitted.
I had the Revos, this particular one anyway, only trading from 8:30 to 11. Sort of the meat of the day. But because I want to use it and it's super hot, I'm going to go ahead and adjust that little dude right here to keep going through the broadcast today.
Order filled.
So when you enable them, we have a window where it's sort of a slow start. So it takes about a minute and a half to get them up and running. Ace, this thing's like a maze, man. I got a maze going on here. No, I'm just kidding. Brock, he's our customer service manager, and he'll get you loaded right up, man. Get you loaded up. He'll show you where to turn it on and off at, how to turn on your communication. Here's our communication. That's our data. So you need data. That's something that you have to get, data. I get data from Apex. They give me data free. I'll call it free. I buy the accounts to trade with them, and they give me a data connection. Plus, I also pay for Kinetic. Now, Kinetic, they've pissed me off a couple times. They suck as a company, but they're good with data. That's their anyway. So I have Kinetic running too. That's our iBot Kinetic data feed. You don't need this though if you're using AI Auto Trader. You only need this. So
Order filled.
an AI Auto Trader can trade 23 hours a day, whereas unfortunately the cash markets, they're just not open. So there's no data available for the iBots between it's only available when the market is open, so 9:30 to 4 Eastern Standard Time. So
Order submitted.
those things are only alive and awake, from 9:35 till like 4. So anyway, those are things that you'll need as data, and if you get a Apex account or whatever, you get the data for free, as I mentioned.
Order submitted.
And then these three panels over here, these two charts, ES and NQ, and then this control center, they call it down here. This is where all the action happens in the control center. And then this thing is a separate piece that I bought
Order
from another company called Replicanto by Flowbots, and it's my trade copier. It handles the
order submitted.
trade. So it's taken this trade that just happened right here in this strategy, this one right here that's down 220. It took this,
Filled.
wow, that was a quick loser, huh? Shit. Ouch. That was a quick loser on that one.
Order submitted.
So yeah, this will pass it right through here to these accounts that I have turned on over here, and then the other dashboard for Apex is over here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
So we've got a semi-automated system, even though it's fully automated. It's also, you can grab these,
Order submitted.
these are called targets, either a stop loss target or a target, profit target. Blue's the money maker, the red's the money loser. You can move them around. We've been working on this software for years, trying to improve it, create features. Sergio behind the scenes has done quite a few improvements over the
Order
years
submitted.
to make it flexible for us. We're stuck right at 550 now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, cool, Ace. Good. Thanks for coming aboard. Good luck to you. You can lose money fast too. Just be aware of that. I hope you are. That's what I always tell Rory. Like, let people know this is a trading system. It's not a money. It's not a what do they call it? A quick rich scam. It's not. It's not a get rich quick scam. Unfortunately, you can catch some hot ones. I tell you, I got this damn Revo about to go to 6,000 here. It looks like. And it shut the door on the trade, so I'm going to jump in the next move for it over here, these other accounts. We slowed right down. We're at a rough spot. This is not a good spot for a trade.
Order submitted.
It's going to do a little bit of a little dancing around 550, I'm thinking. Okay, my retirement plan's in again. Okay, good. Yes. when someone just starts, it's always kind of hard to, go through the whole journey, trading journey. Unfortunately, we show our best parts, right? We always show the winners. Rarely do we show the losers. So if you go online, you think, holy shit, this must be like, yes, I'm going to get rich, baby. Let's go. And your greed meter will tell you how rich you'll get, I think.
Order filled.
I think that seems to be the calibrator.
Order submitted.
Let's see what the Revo NQ16U can do this time. It's trying to set records here. My moneymaker's in trouble on the left. Moneymaker in trouble. Moneymaker took a long entry. It's upside down 650 right now.
Order.
Wasn't enough, but it's still up 1,000 for the day though. And again, this thing's been running since last night, so it's taken some trades even overnight. I keep mine running 23 hours a day. Try to. Man, I didn't take this damn winner again. The hell is wrong with me? Why don't I take the winners? Ace, come on, man. Coach me a little bit. I need to take these winners. Here we go. We got a winner now. Let's see if we can make this thing work for us. Oh, we got a $100 trade now in the PA accounts. Here we go, Apex. Let's go. Drop down. I need a $200. There we go. We got a $200 winner in the trade there. We got the tape rolling now. Come on. Here we go. We got a trade on the right. $200 trade now. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, NQ16U trying to blow up today. And we got a $300 winner. This is where the greed meter comes in, huh, Ace? This is the greed meter test right here. Here it is, in your face. Ah. Bots don't even flinch. It's the weirdest thing. I like to reach out and grab it sometime. Like, no, fucking go. Take the money and run, you little son of a... You never know, I guess. Boy, it looked like 550 was going to hold up there, didn't it? Man, I tell you, markets are amazing. Oh, we got a $200 trade coming back on me now. It's holding 500 for a little bit here. And we're holding tight at 5. Take a quick break here. And we got a $200 trade coming back on us, about to stop me out here. It's a break-even trade. Get a little froth, not much. Got it set to $10, so you hope you break even with the commission. We're just trying to break even.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, looked like that was a break-even trade right there. She's still locked and loaded. One time, one time. Market's making some nice moves for us. Long, nice moves. Extended moves.
Order submitted.
Surprised it didn't take that little short move right there.
Filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Looks like my leapfrog's breaking even today. It's in a trade right now. Oh, we're running the NQ16U. It's been hot today for us. Okay, we got David Wise coming up next. He's going to be right here in the hot seat. I'm going to go try to grab his link to his room and drop it in the chat in case you want to jump in the ring with him and see how his option picks are. That's another equity stream we have here at Right Line Trading is we send you the options trades on a platter. All you have to do is flip them over into your Thinkorswim. Here we go. He's on a hot streak.
Order submitted.
And we're going short. We got a trade going short. Hey, you got a break-in trade here, breaking even. Okay, we got a $200 trade now. We locked in the profits there, break even. Okay, we got a break even trade. I dropped in the link to David Wise's live stream here. He's got he said yesterday in his room. Now we sell a live trading room where you can go into his personal room where he truly does mentor and coach you. He had 87 people live in his room yesterday. We had a meeting yesterday evening, and he told me that. I was like, wow, 87 people watching your charts? Like, holy moly. See if I can't use this Revo NQ16U to pull in a couple of fish here this afternoon. It's moving nicely here. Caught a couple of break evens, but
Order filled.
we dialed up a beauty right out of the gate. First 10 minutes, I think. It felt like it anyway. The video here today. We caught a dinger with the with this Revo NQ16U. Again, it was climbing up my leaderboard. I saw it hit, I think, about 4,000 up here, and I was like, "Hey, wait a minute! That thing is an outlier. It is hit the stride of the market," and sure did. Now I've got this retirement plan here. It said it ain't giving up yet. It's almost hit the $5,000 mark now. They were battling a little bit earlier, but the Revo pulled away a little bit. But the retirement plan's right there, chomping at its bit here. All right, guys. Hope to see you tomorrow. Hope you have a good afternoon and good luck trading.